Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called System and Updates, and then tap on it. And here, find the option called Update and select it. The watch will start checking for the available updates. And as you can see, my watch is up to date, but if yours wasn't, you will see the download button right here or install button, and you can tap on it and start the downloading the update and then installing it. And one word of advice though, before you update your watch or start updating your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is above 20-30%, or basically plug the watch to the charger, because if the battery dies during the updating process, it might damage your watch. Okay, and of course once you're done checking, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check for the system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.